Hi there, welcome back to Grandad's Shed. So I'm going to start work on this old Wolf Sapphire power tool. So see the labelling there. It's a Sapphire 9-inch power saw, and it's not small. So it's a struggle for me to hold out and actually have any control over with one hand. So it's a large saw by today's standards. Okay, let's start by taking a few pieces off the saw here. So I think I need to get the sole plate off this thing because it's pretty heavy. So there's a pin at the front here which holds the plate on. Adjusting lever on the back. That appears to be symmetric. Okay, let's wash it. And there's a sleeve as well. So there's a sleeve to stop it mangling up the threads, so it has to come out this way. That was easier than I expected. It's a sole plate. It's a pretty decent chunk of aluminium. Coach bolt. That's made it significantly lighter and easier than already. We need to get rid of the peg there to get this a bit further. So there's three screws. Held by that. And that doesn't look like it's got. I know that because I tried it before. Alright, so take the motor body off and get it that way. So 4 screws under here. bring you back when I've done the rest of them. Okay, so I've got the 4 screws that are clamping these part of the body together, so we should now be able to separate the gearbox head. So we've got the main motor body, and this was the gearbox that I mentioned. So something that's a little bit more manageable. Something like the grease being all a bit licky. Frame here to keep it all together. Hope the video's not too dark, it's basically raining outside. Through there, so we can give it a gentle tap. Alright, gentle tapping stick. Could have just put the nut in, I suppose, on the bolt on top. Getting there. That's the gearbox. Grease, what's left of it in here. Some fresh when I put it back together. Next task, do this, because it feels like it needs servicing. I suspect it's full of sawdust. So the plan is to tap round that. Now, I should be able to tap round to too tight, so what I'm going to do instead, make myself a key, drive key, which consists of filing some slots in here at the appropriate points, and then I'll be able to turn it. So I'm going to go and link that now. Okay, so a little bit of filing later, and I've cut 2 notches and removed the ends off this piece of aluminium to act as a key. So it now slots into the 2 grooves to release this nut in there. So to undo that, I put the base plate back on and can now clamp it down to the table. So squeegee speed clamp. Screw that end down, and then put the carver clamp onto aluminium to give me something to twist on, and then what you need to be able to do is to see undoing procedure. Is line that on there, and then undo you all dizzy. So notice the backwardness of this undewey here. That's the dewey in direction. So now been able to take that off, which means this should free off here now and then can be cleaned. Okay, taking off the sole plate again. Get out there, and I've undone the screws that were holding the two parts of the assembly together. So now I can separate the front of the motor from the rest of the system. So that's the casing that sits on there, and you can see that the inside of the bearing there still got bearing cover on it, but could do with a clean. There's got a lot of muck on that. So we've now got the two pieces separated here, so that can all be cleaned and greased together so it doesn't feel as crunchy. So good to have got that separated. So that now means the pieces are in small enough chunks I can clean this up and remake one of those to sit on top of it. So once I've done that, I can then reassemble it. Feels alright. And need smaller fingers to get into the corners.